What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has dropped quite a bit in the last 24 hours and over the last couple of days as well. As you guys can see here, it has dropped just about 12% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at this value here. So over the week, it has dropped 8% since about the 16th of December, as you guys can see here. For about 3 to 4 days straight now, it has been hitting red candles. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep crashing? Is it getting ready for a pump, a bull run potentially towards the end of December, early next year? Or is it just going to keep crashing? So what is the best option right now for Milady meme coin? Is it to buy it by the dip, or is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it before, looking at its predictions? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. A link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple. And we can see that the crypto's value has also dropped down to very close to the SMA indicator. So at the moment it is on target and performing like it's meant to. So does that mean that once it gets very close to that, it's going to pump back up, or is it going to drop below the SMA indicator? So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So minimal gains in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, it should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's not going to drop any further. I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit more over the next couple of hours before it starts to gain back up in value, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, it's not going to be a major pump or a major increase in value or anything like that. It is going to be a very minimal increase. So yeah, no major changes are expected from the crypto right now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we are still looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So more increases in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially up to around between these two targets here is where I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at. But again, do expect red candles and green candles. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but again, the overall outcome at the moment, it seems to be more on the positive side. And again, over the next couple of days, it is lagged to drop down a little bit further before it starts to gain back value towards the end of this week and early next week as well. So yeah, do expect it to be quite volatile. And in my previous updates on Milady meme coin earlier on in December, I did say that not just Milady meme coin, but the crypto market is likely to go for a price correction period, which it has happened and which is currently going through right now. With Bitcoin did drop down to about $40,000 about 2 to 3 days ago, which did have a negative impact on the crypto market. And again, I did predict that in my updates if you guys listen to that, and I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily recover for the rest of December and early 2024. So quarter one of 2024, we should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $45,000 in January to February 2024. So let's zoom in into the daily chart. Next couple of weeks are looking quite skeptical due to the fact that it's dropped quite a bit over the last 5-6 days. The blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and so is the orange line as well. So what we have is both the lines looking quite negative. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so essentially February 2024, I am expecting Milady meme coin to have gone for an overall increase in value. Yes, even though the chart is showing us negative directions. The reason is, right now it is going through a price correction, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, and it is likely to slowly and steadily gain back value in Q1 of 2024, which means it should essentially be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Not just Milady meme coin, but the most majority of the cryptocurrencies out there. But if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting major crash or a major bull run or a price bump, anything like that, that can have a potential impact on the crypto market, either in a positive or negative direction, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. Let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has dropped by 4% in the last 24 hours, making it $10.8 million, which is again not a major drop. However, if we go back to about 5-6 days ago, the trading volume was around $38 million, and since then it's dropped quite majorly due to the fact that the value of Milady meme coin has also dropped. So not many people are trading it right now. Even though there are people buying the dips and panic selling, not as many traders due to the fact that it's dropped in value. So most people are just holding back, waiting for it to drop further or pump back up in value before they can start to trade the crypto. So this is my take on Milady meme coin, guys. For those of you asking what would I do in this situation, would I buy it or would I sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy it because I'm expecting it to drop down further, and at the moment it is too late for myself because I'm in the long-term hold. But again, doesn't mean that it's too late for you guys. It depends on how long you're planning to hold on to it for. If you're planning to invest into it within the next 5-6 months, then yes, it does have the potential to drop below where it is at the moment. I do have a maximum buying price for the crypto, but right now it is way over that, so I won't be investing into it right now, even though I have invested into it in the past. I'm holding on to it, I haven't sold it. And for those of you asking, would I sell the crypto right now? No, I wouldn't. Well, I would probably sell about 20 to 25% if I was still on a profit, but I would rather hold on to it going into 2024, 2025 over the long run as well. So yeah, this is my take on Milady meme coin. Comment down below what you would do in this situation. Are you guys buying it? Are you guys selling it? Or are you guys holding it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.